So we're here at the Devil's Bathtub parking area. I've never actually done it when there's snow on the ground and when it's colder, so we'll see how this goes. I've got Tristan and Talon there with me, and they're thrilled as always to be hiking with their mom, so we'll just see how it goes. Trying to find the thickest spots of ice to cross, and every once in a while I hit like a super slippery spot on the ice, so let's hope I don't break a hip, eh? I should have worn micro spikes, I guess. I didn't think about it. Well, I actually wasn't really planning on doing this trail, and I just saw the empty parking lot on our way up the canyon and just decided to go for it. Up here at Devil's Bathtub. So that's the first time, like I said, that I've ever done it in the winter when there's snow and ice. Definitely recommend using yak tracks, micro spikes, something. It was pretty slippery. Both of the boys hit the ground a couple times, didn't you guys? But it was fun. It was a good adventure. The boys, I think, had more fun on this trail than they typically have hiking, right guys? So yeah, the creek crossings were a lot easier, I guess, most of the time with the ice, but it was pretty slippery, so keep that in mind if you want to tackle Devil's Bathtub in the winter.